In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select accounts, and as you can see currently we are logged in with a Google account. To remove it, just mark on the account icon and select remove account. Then confirm that you would like to perform this operation, tap on OK to confirm and draw your unlock pattern. And that's it. As you can see, this account is no longer connected with our tablet. But then whenever you would like to add Google account, just go to accounts again, click on add account, pick Google, and at first enter your email or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. In my case it's email address, and then tap on next. And here it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. And here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, just click on accept to confirm your selection of the services and your account is added. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.